So what's up guys? Kamusta kayong lahat? So maaga ako natapos sa pagtatato ko and umuwi ako medyo maaraw pa, pero sa tingin ko uulan mamaya, pero wala naman akong plano mag-ride. So tinake advantage ko na to para makapaglinis na tayo ng motor natin. So nandyan na yung motor natin, nilagyan ko siya ng mga ganyan para makatayo ng maayos yung stand, kasi wala akong mapagpatayuan sa kanya ng maayos eh. So yan muna yung ginamit natin, improvise muna. Pero yan, naka-ready na rin yung pressure washer natin. Dito lahat. Nalagyan na natin ng warm water tong foam cannon natin. And ito yung mga gagamitin natin syempre. So, sa wheel cleaner, gamit ko is, ginagamit ko na to sa sasakyan eh, Adams polishes. Tapos sa snow foam naman na laman nito is honeydew snow foam ng chemical guys. And then syempre yung binili natin na chain lube and chain clean para sa chain natin. So tapos na natin yung likod na wheels. Itong harap naman. So yun guys, tapos na rin sa harap na wheels. So pre-soak natin yung buong motor, saka natin bombahan ng snow foam. So yun guys, babad lang natin ng ilang minuto para lumambot lang yung mga dumi. Tapos banlawan natin, then snow foam natin, saka natin i-wrap. Cheer! So guys, ito na yung second na sabon natin.
Back and I'm better than ever. I think I got it vendetta. Oh, now they call me, I seen them. All of those times getting severed. I told them all I can let up. Begging, I taught to be never. Give me a shot and I swear I shoot like Berettas. Yeah, yeah.
So, yan. Ito yung leaf blower, ganito kalaki. Ito yung pang-dry ko sa kanya. Malakas to, guys. Yeah.
I turn it up, I still go to the max. You ain't the best, you know that you last. I thought I told him I'm coming right back. I got a flows like it came from the tap, and I came from my city, that's right on my back. Back and I'm better than ever. I think I got it vendetta. Oh, now they call me, I seen them. All of those times getting severed. I told them all I can let up. Begging, I taught to be never. Give me a shot and I swear I shoot like Berettas. Back and I'm better than ever. I think I got it vendetta. Oh, now they call me, I seen them. All of those times getting severed. I told them all I can let up. Begging, I taught to be never. Give me a shot and I swear I shoot like Berettas.
So yun guys, medyo na-dry up na natin ng konti. Kunting-kunti na lang. Yan, di ba? Linis na naman ng motor natin. Yan, no? Cheer! So, yan, may mga konting basa-basa na lang. Kaya gamit na ako ng punas. So, yeah. Ang pag-washing ng sariling motor guys, kanya-kanyang diskarte lang yan para ano, para mapadali ba. Yun, improvise lang, buti may leaf blower naman. Kaya nahanginan ko yung mga tubig na excess kanina. So ngayon dry up lang natin hanggang sa madry natin ng madry. And then saka natin banatan ng chain lube, then saka natin itago ulit.
Damn, I land, I got told on the move. Now that I'm popping, got too much to lose. Look at the numbers, got nothing to prove. I'm in the city, just me and my crew. Told me I'm sick and I know that it's true, but I'm still gonna boss like I got a flu. Yeah, run it up, I told him that I'm coming back. So let me get all of that. Time is now, I'm coming around to get a check. Said I need my taxes back. Over time, I'm getting mine to get in line. And it's with no respect. That I told him all about the ball, getting chips. Feeling like Kobe Shaq. Back and I'm better than.
So yan guys, dry na ulit yung motor natin at malinis na ulit. So, yan. Doon na natatapos yung ating paglilinis, Cherry. Mabilisan lang naman. Mabilisang linis lang tayo, 'di ba? So, kailangan lang natin maging effective and efficient pag naglilinis ng motor. Update nga pala guys, para dun sa first service natin, 'di ba? So, malapit na yung first service natin kasi nakapag 700 kilometers na ako. So 300 na lang. So kaya ang target ko bukas mag-ride para bukas kahit paano maka 800, 900 ganun ako para pwede na tayong makapagpabook ng first service natin kasi of course first change oil kailangan niya na. Of course kailangan na rin niya ng first change oil and syempre para maikabit na rin yung ating para maikabit na rin guys yung quick shifter natin or yung shift assist natin, diba? So yan, malinis na ulit yung bike natin. Pwede na ulit pang bardagulan. So yeah, yan lang. And see you na lang sa next vlog. Salamat sa mga nanonood guys kahit konti pa lang yung nanonood sa atin, okay lang, di tayo titigil kasi nagsisimula pa lang naman tayo and unang-una nag-enjoy naman tayo sa ginagawa natin. Kaya cheer! Thank you guys.
So, yo Motor Racer, ito na yung hinihiling mong shout out galing sa akin dahil special ka, special din yung mag shout out sa'yo, okay? So, Melissa, I have a friend of mine in the Philippines and I want you to shout him out, okay?
Okay.
Okay, come on, go for it. Okay, I just got it.
Shout out to Motor Racer's vlog.
Okay.
I hope you're doing well and drive safe out there.
Chi, sabi ko sa'yo, special ka eh. Here's greetings from you, brother Dane Matthew, from my friend.
Shout out to Dane Matthew from Singapore. Thank you for supporting my friend. Always take care.
Chi, basta mga subscriber ko, special kayo.